Hi everyone, so my name is Hannah and I'm a hairdresser at Twisted Desire, so little disclaimer here, and we're just going to take you through my morning routine. So we're just going to do some curls today. Now I've just chopped my hair off, so this is the first time I'm doing curls and we'll see how this goes. First thing you'll need is a brush to brush out your hair, a clip to clip it up, and heat protectant, always a must. So you always want to start at the bottom and work up, and then you want to spray heat protectant in, and then section. Now I always work in 2 sections, so I have one on one side and one on the other side. You want to always curl away from the face, like that. Hope everyone's isolation's going good. So you're always away from the face. Now there's 2 ways you can do it. Turning it away, which is on this side, and then turning away on the other side. So I always split my hair to where I want my part to be. And you want to grab your piece. And you want to twist away. Like that. Twist away. Like that. And then you want to do the other side. Now it's quite an arm workout and you get very used to it. And then these are my curls. And then you give a little spray, which I don't have. And the number 1 tip is to let them cool down before you brush them out. So this side's already cooled down, so I'm just gonna rake my fingers through. And this side's cooled down. Now I always love flipping my head upside down to get max volume. And it just releases the curl. Now always practice with it off first and then go through and do a little bit of a curl. But as you can see, this is the finished result. Have a wonderful time in quarantine, making yourself beautiful, and we'll be back with more vids.